Hey friends, welcome back to our cozy little tech corner. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered academic tools, and our main character is none other than Smodin. If you're a student, researcher, or just someone looking to upgrade your academic writing skills, congratulations, you've landed in the right place. Smodin has become a familiar name for anyone who's ever wrestled with essays, research papers, or academic reports. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and highly efficient academic language capabilities, Smodin is quickly becoming one of the most trusted AI tools in education today. But before we go deep into the experience, let's take a quick tour of what Smodin really brings to the table. According to user feedback and rankings on trusted platforms, Smodin consistently scores high on performance, accuracy, and user experience. It's not just another writing tool, it's a reliable academic assistant that millions of users count on every day. Smodin, more than just a writing tool, it's an academic ecosystem. What makes Smodin stand out isn't just its ability to produce an essay in minutes, it's the complete academic ecosystem it provides. You can start with a vague idea, chat with the AI to build an argument, search for relevant references, and even generate citations in APA, MLA, or Chicago style, all without leaving the platform. If you've ever struggled with paraphrasing, summarizing long articles, or analyzing academic texts, Smodin has tools that guide you through every step. Every feature is built around the user, especially students, so it's incredibly accessible, even for beginners. One thing that stood out to us was the speed. In just seconds, you can get a clear, logical outline or a completely rephrased paragraph that avoids plagiarism while keeping the original meaning. It's not just a time saver, it actually helps you improve your writing skills and critical thinking. But no tool is perfect. That said, we want to be honest, Smodin does have a few minor limitations. The free version comes with usage limits, from how many tasks you can run to which features you can access. To unlock the full potential, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Also, in some cases, the references generated by the AI should be double-checked to ensure complete accuracy. But that's true of any AI tool, not just Smodin. If you're not in love with Smodin yet, there are alternatives. While exploring academic AI tools, we also tested several others, one of which is the essay generator by Academic Help. It's a simpler tool, less feature-heavy than Smodin, but surprisingly powerful when it comes to writing support. It's focused, minimal, and great if you just want a straightforward way to generate essays quickly and reliably. However, if you're someone who wants a comprehensive platform with everything in one place, writing, editing, citation management, plagiarism detection, essay generation, then Smodin remains the more complete and superior choice. Real-world testing, how we used Smodin. To give you a fair assessment, we conducted a hands-on test using Smodin as regular users without notifying anyone, and tried completing an academic essay from scratch. This allowed us to evaluate three major aspects: user interface and experience, feature quality and flexibility, output quality, and honestly, the results were impressive in a good way. The Smodin interface is clean and designed for focus. No clutter, no distractions. All tools are well organized, from writing and paraphrasing to citation and plagiarism checking. Function-wise, Smodin performs excellently in academic writing. The AI-generated essay had logical structure, coherent flow, and strong vocabulary. It didn't feel like a machine wrote it. It felt like a real person had edited each sentence. In our test, we gave Smodin a prompt: the impact of social media on the communication skills of teenagers. In just a few minutes, it returned a full essay with the introduction, body, and conclusion, complete with references, statistics, and multi-angle analysis. The essay scored 82/100 in our internal evaluation, with high marks for content and presentation. That's impressive when you consider how long it would take to write the same thing manually. Is Smodin worth the investment? Short answer, yes. Long answer, absolutely, especially if you regularly work with academic content. The pricing is reasonable for what you get. and its ability to guide you from ideation to final draft makes Smodin a smart investment. You save time, reduce stress, and most importantly, Tinti, create higher quality academic work. Final thoughts, a reliable companion for academic success. So there you have it, a deep dive into what Smodin has to offer. A rich feature set, a seamless user experience, and high-quality academic output. Whether you're a student, researcher, teacher, or just someone who loves to write and learn, Smodin is a tool you'll want in your academic toolkit. Thanks for staying with us until the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, share your own experience, or ask any questions below. We're always here to listen and explore more amazing AI tools with you in the future. Wishing you productive learning, powerful writing, and endless passion for knowledge. See you in the next video.